That strange noise your car makes isn't just annoying, it could leave you stranded. If your car sounds like an airplane taking off when you turn, your wheel bearings might be screaming for help. Start by lifting the tire off the ground, give it a shake. If it wobbles like a loose tooth, that's bad news. Next, spin the wheel and listen for grinding. Quick test. Drive in an empty lot and zigzag lightly, a humming that changes with direction. Dead giveaway? Bad bearings wreck tires and can seize up. Fix them ASAP. Heard a weird car noise lately? Describe it in the comments.